Today is Labor Day, so Hillary and I decided to have, as many people do, a special dinner. For us this year, it's a harvest dinner, which means we're going to have for dinner things that we've grown ourselves. Now, I have a secondary motivation for making this video, and that is I want to show folks how to easily grill a whole chicken. Cooking a pastured chicken on the grill couldn't be easier. We don't season it, we don't turn it, we just put it on the grill and leave it and open the grill when it's done and it's ready to eat. So I'm going to show you that process today. I have a Weber charcoal grill, and the thing you want to remember is to cook the chicken over indirect heat so that it doesn't burn. So I use grill baskets to keep the charcoal off to the side. And I put a few small pieces of hickory in because I like the flavor of the hickory smoke in the chicken. And here we have our two chickens. I wonder where they came from. Just a few acres farm. Boy, they sure look good. Just lay the chicken on its back on the grill, and the advantage to laying it on its back is the juices that come out of the bird will accumulate in the cavity and keep the bird moist. The other advantage is that the meat that cooks first, the breast meat, is on top and furthest away from the heat, so it stays nice and moist. In fact, I've found it's very difficult to overcook a bird this way. There are methods that stand the chicken up and set it on some kind of a funky rack, but my opinion is that the juices just drain out of the chicken that way, and it's best to keep them in there where they'll steam the bird. And I let them cook until they're done, which for a single bird is usually about an hour and a quarter, and these are 4 to 4.5 pound birds. Now I'm putting 2 in the grill tonight because my parents are coming over for dinner, and Hillary and I like to have leftovers for sandwiches later on. So for 2 birds, about an hour and 3/4. We'll leave them in there and see how they come out. We're an hour into the cook time, so let's see how the birds look. They're getting there, but they're not done yet. They got quite a while to go. So it's been almost 2 hours, and we'll take a look. Yep, they are done. And once again, I didn't do anything. I just left the lid on. I got occupied with something else, so it's a few minutes late. They don't burn. You can see how the cavity is filled with fluid, keeps it nice and moist. So let's take them off. And there we go. They're definitely done. Yeah, Henry.
Smell that sweet chicken.
In addition to the chicken, we're having fresh tomatoes, snap beans, deviled eggs, and sweet corn for dinner. We grew everything but the sweet corn, which was provided by another local farmer. I love it when we have a meal with things that we've grown. It's so meaningful. We serve the chicken with a barbecue sauce that we call white sauce. It's a variant of the locally created Cornell chicken sauce. We make it with our farm fresh eggs, so it's nice and thick, and it's tangy, the perfect complement to the chicken's flavor. I've posted the sauce recipe in the video description. I think one of the reasons that Hillary and I decided to become farmers is because we love to eat. And I think that I got that from my dad. Right no! One of the ways that you can ensure the best food supply for yourself is to grow it yourself. So we're all full. And we hope you had a great Labor Day and got some relaxation in. And thanks for joining us tonight. Right, guys?
Eat more chicken! Yes!
Have a good evening, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Henry, do your superhero face.